Imagine a bus that doesn't stop when the road ends, a beast that powers through mud, sand, snow, and even water like it's nothing. These aren't your regular city buses. These are off-road monsters built to conquer the wildest terrains on Earth. From the frozen Arctic to scorching deserts, they take passengers where no normal vehicle dares to go. Massive tires, roaring engines, and extreme suspension, these machines redefine what it means to travel off-road. So buckle up, because today we're counting down the 10 off-road buses in the world, the unstoppable giants that turn the impossible into a ride of a lifetime. Monster Bus. The Monster Bus is a true engineering marvel from Australia, built on the rugged framework of an Iveco tracker truck. Designed to conquer desert dunes reaching up to 50 meters high, this beast stands out as one of the most powerful off-road buses ever made. Measuring 7.8 meters long and 3.5 meters wide, it can comfortably carry up to 32 passengers across some of the harshest terrains on Earth. Under the hood, a 450 horsepower engine delivers the strength needed to power through sand and steep slopes with ease. Its massive 1.6 meter diameter wheels ensure superior traction and stability even on loose desert surfaces. Today, the Monster Bus is operated by Doha Bus for thrilling desert tours, offering passengers an unforgettable ride from the city to the Golden Dunes. Sleipnir Bus. Meet the Sleipnir Bus, a true Arctic giant built by Sleipnir Tours in Iceland. Stretching 15 meters long, standing 4 meters tall, and weighing over 30 tons, this bus is purpose-built for extreme glacier expeditions. With room for 48 passengers, it's designed to deliver both safety and adventure across icy terrains where ordinary vehicles can't survive. Its 850 horsepower engine and 3,000 newton-meters of torque give it the muscle to tackle steep ice slopes and deep snow, while the 2-meter diameter tires and central tire inflation system allow it to glide effortlessly over cracks and uneven glacier surfaces. Despite its enormous size, it reaches speeds up to 60 kilometers per hour, making it both powerful and surprisingly agile. The Sleipnir Bus isn't just transportation, it's an experience, carrying tourists deep into Iceland's breathtaking glacial landscapes. Atacama Hot Bus. Built on the rugged Tatra Phoenix 8x8 truck platform, the Atacama Hat Bus is engineered for the extreme altitudes of the Atacama Desert in Chile, one of the highest and driest places on Earth. Operating at over 5,000 meters above sea level, this off-road tour bus ensures passenger safety with onboard oxygen tanks to combat thin air conditions. Powered by a 462 horsepower engine delivering 2,300 newton-meters of torque, it conquers steep mountain roads and rocky desert terrain with ease. It also features a self-recovery winch, monitors, and surveillance cameras to enhance safety and even monitor local wildlife. With a capacity of 34 passengers, the Atacama Hot Bus offers one of the most unique travel experiences in the world, combining extreme engineering with unforgettable views of the planet's highest desert plateaus. The Attack 8 4x4 Escalar. Built by Agrale Refirm in Brazil, the Attack 8 4x4 Escalar is a rugged off-road bus engineered for safe and efficient transportation across rough and uneven terrain. Designed to serve people in remote rural areas, it easily tackles unpaved roads, muddy tracks, and shallow waterways. Measuring 8.6 meters long and weighing 8.7 tons, this durable vehicle features reinforced suspension, heavy-duty tires, and enhanced engine protection to withstand the toughest conditions. Powered by a 152 horsepower engine, it can carry up to 31 passengers, ensuring reliable mobility where regular buses can't operate. Rotel Bus. Nicknamed the Hotel on Wheels, the Rotel Bus is a remarkable travel vehicle built on a Mercedes-Benz Actros chassis. It's designed for global expeditions, blending durability, comfort, and adventure into one extraordinary machine. Equipped with a 510 horsepower engine, this off-road bus can traverse mud, rivers, and rugged terrain with ease. Inside, up to 20 passengers can relax in comfort, with 21 sleeping compartments available in the spacious rear cabin. Operated by Rotel Tours, this unique mobile hotel offers travelers the opportunity to explore remote regions of the world while resting in cozy onboard accommodations, turning every trip into an unforgettable journey. Beachmaster. The Beachmaster is a modified Toyota coaster bus enhanced by the Australian Bus 4x4 company to conquer soft sands and beach terrain. Designed for off-road tourism and coastal adventures, it features increased ground clearance for better traction and stability on shifting sand. Measuring 7 meters in length, 2 meters in width, and 2.6 meters in height, it weighs around 6 tons and seats 22 passengers comfortably. Powered by an engine delivering 420 Newton-meters of torque, it can reach speeds up to 100 kilometers per hour, making it both strong and swift. This beach-ready bus blends practicality and performance, ensuring smooth rides across Australia's scenic shorelines. Monster Truck Tour Bus. The Monster Truck Tour Bus is a massive, all-terrain vehicle built to dominate swamps, forests, and wetlands. Standing 12 meters long, 4.2 meters wide, and 4.8 meters high, it features enormous wheels that make navigating muddy or flooded areas effortless. Operated by a citrus farm and wildlife tour company, it offers thrilling one-hour rides across vast lands filled with trees, animals, and water channels. Passengers may encounter buffalo, alligators, and other wildlife while enjoying the elevated view and unmatched stability of this monster-sized machine. Combining power, safety, and adventure, the Monster Truck Tour Bus delivers a one-of-a-kind off-road experience. The Man Overlander 8x8. The Man Overlander 8x8 is a rugged and dependable off-road bus built to conquer even the harshest terrains. Measuring 10 meters in length, 3 meters in height, and weighing 13 tons, it's engineered for endurance and stability. Powered by a 360 horsepower engine, the Overlander can reach speeds of up to 90 kilometers per hour while carrying 38 passengers comfortably. Its exceptional design allows it to traverse water up to 1.2 meters deep and withstand temperatures as low as 50 degrees Celsius. Extensively used in Iceland's glacial regions, this impressive vehicle transports tourists deep into ice caves, providing a truly unique and thrilling adventure through frozen landscapes. Torsus Praetorian. Built in Slovakia, the Torsus Praetorian is a powerhouse of strength and versatility designed for extreme off-road performance in muddy, wet, or uneven terrain. Measuring 8.7 meters long and weighing 13.4 tons, this durable machine is equipped with a high-torque engine producing 1,150 Newton-meters for reliable and consistent power. It can achieve a top speed of 110 kilometers per hour and effortlessly navigate water up to 90 centimeters deep. With a 300-gallon fuel tank and capacity for 37 passengers, the Praetorian is ideal for transporting people or goods across some of the world's toughest environments, making it a true beast of endurance and engineering excellence. Terra Bus. The Terra Bus, proudly built in Canada, stands as one of the largest and most iconic off-road buses ever created. Designed for use in industrial and icy environments, it features 3 axles, spans 14.9 meters in length, stands 4 meters tall, and weighs a massive 25 tons. Powered by a 250 horsepower engine, it can travel up to 40 kilometers per hour, supported by 1.7 meter low-pressure tires that ensure traction on snow and ice. With seating for 56 passengers, the Terra Bus is mainly used for Columbia icefield tours, transporting visitors safely across glaciers in extreme conditions. Combining strength, stability, and reliability, it remains a symbol of Canada's engineering expertise in off-road transportation. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible machines from around the world. Have a great day and see you again in the next video.